Maybe I'll stand on the couch. See, I'm the beast. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we are unboxing my racing suit I ordered from Alpinestars. So let's get straight into it because why the fuck wait? I'm so impatient too. Okay, so look, there you have it, full black, exactly what I wanted. You see the elbows, shoulder pads, all black, and the knees black. So, and that's why I got these boots, perfectly matching, and these gloves, also perfectly matching, all black. So I'm gonna try to put this on now. I'm not used to this. I've only put on a racing suit once when I tried it in the store, and it was pretty damn difficult. Okay, so see you guys in a bit when I got it on. Okay, yeah, now I'm doing squats, but I don't know if it's the right size. It feels a bit small. Bro, I'm dying over here.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, there we are. An eternity later. I'm also like hunchbacking, I don't know what you call it, but I never thought it would be so hard to get into one of these suits, bro. I don't know, the one I tried in the store was way easier, maybe because more people had tried it on before, but yeah, let me take this off. So here you can see how it fits. It's really tight, bro. I bet you can see my ass really well. But it feels comfortable, like the pads, the padding behind the knee scratches, or however you want to call it, is really good. So like, I think if you like are like on your bike like this for a long period of time, it's not gonna hurt your knees. Oh, feels good. It feels good though, it feels tight. Imagine me like this on my bike, huh? I guess. Oh, it's so warm. I'm sweating my ass off. Oh. So yeah, the gloves. Oh. They're tight too. Everything is tight. Everything is very tight. Like this. And you see, it seals off nicely. Oh, it's so good. And then the boots. Oh yeah, I don't think I'm gonna put on the boots. It's too big of a challenge now. I think I have to take the top part of the suit off again, because otherwise I can't get into the fucking boots. Because it's so, maybe not. Maybe, oh no, never mind. Never mind, it's really easy. There you have it. The new and improved fruit dealer with the boots and the gloves. I don't know if you can see it, maybe I'll stand on the couch. See, I'm the beast. Oh, okay. Well, thanks for watching. Yeah, basically like I'm gonna make another review about it when I ride on it. But thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Comment down below. And yeah, see you in the next video.
Day and night, the lonely loner seems to free his mind at night. At night.